In today's video, I'm going to teach you the accurate way to request access to restricted files in Google Drive using a computer. Sometimes you click a Google Drive link and instead of seeing the file, you're told you don't have permission. That's normal when the owner hasn't shared it with your account yet. The good news is you can request access directly and let the owner decide what level to grant. I'll guide you through the exact process so your request is clear and more likely to be approved. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar at the top, paste the Google Drive file or folder link you were given, then press Enter. If you're not already signed in, Google will prompt you to log into your account. Make sure you choose the correct Google account, the one that should have access. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture or email shown in the top right corner so your request comes from the right place. When the You Need Access screen appears, you'll see options for access level. Choose Viewer if you only need to open and read the file or browse the folder. Choose Commenter if you need to add comments or suggestions without changing the original content. Choose Editor only if you truly need to make direct changes, upload files into a folder, or reorganize items. Picking the least necessary level helps owners approve more quickly because it's safer for them. If you're unsure, start with Viewer. You can always request a higher level later if needed. Next, click Request Access. Your request is immediately sent to the file owner. Depending on the file, you may see a spot to include a short note explaining why you need access and what you plan to do. A brief, clear explanation can help the owner decide faster, especially if they manage many requests. After that, you simply wait for the owner to approve. The owner will get an email and a notification in Google Drive. You'll receive an email once they grant or deny access, and the link will work as soon as permission is given. If it takes a while and you personally know the owner or your team, admin, a polite heads up can be helpful, but otherwise just keep an eye on your inbox for the approval message. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.